Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Pad 8 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So in order to actually change the video resolution or video size in this device, we have to enter the camera itself. So let's tap on it and let's start with changing the mode to the video one, because the settings, which we'll enter in a second, are assigned to a particular mode. So let's tap on the video. If you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode and everything is okay. You can follow my steps. Now we have to enter the settings, and basically in this configuration, in this position, we've got it applied on the right lower corner. However, I know that unfortunately the camera settings will not change the orientation even though I've got my device turned. So let me just turn it to this position and enter the settings, which is right now in the right, right now in the right upper corner. So let's tap. Here we've got the video settings section and we've got the video size at the top of it, which is also referring to the video resolution. After tapping on it, we can see that we've got three different options, so the FHD, HD and SD option. There are differences in the p-value and the frames per second. Or actually not, because the frames per second are 30 in all of the options. So currently we've got the HD option applied. This option is marked and all we have to do is to simply tap on the option we'd like to use. So I'll pick FHD, for example. It is immediately notified right here, which basically means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution in order to, whilst recording the video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.